In my opinion, it should be fixed price. Although there is two models, some companies do it on time and material, and I can talk about that if you like, give you more input, but I believe it should be fixed. Yeah. You're asking them, can the price change? Because unfortunately, many companies, they give a cheaper price just to get in the door, just to start the job. And I hear so many stories when a contractor gets into the job, does the demolition, and then he's gone, you know, because he got the job, right? Now he's looking after other jobs, not yours. And you can't replace him because if you get another contractor, it may cost you even more because you already gave him a deposit. So you are stuck, right? One thing. Another thing, contractor gives you a cheaper price and then he starts a job and then fun begins. They start bombarding you with change orders. Is anyone here who doesn't know what change order is? You don't know? Change order is something when contractor tells you, Mr. Client, I see a problem here, and it wasn't included in my price. It's going to be additional $10,000. Or you come to a contractor and say, hey, I thought that you were going to install this new baseboard here. And he goes, no, I wasn't supposed to do that. It's existing baseboard. If you want new, it's going to be change order. So additional price. Change order is an additional price. So that's the question you want to ask.